We're good. Get this thing over here. Please. Please do it quickly. Hurry up. He's cutting through the freaking door. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing the Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. I am a big fan of the Resident Evil franchise, but I haven't really played it too much. I played 2 and 3 of the remakes of them, and I played a little bit of 6. And I know I went for like I had a hiatus for a little bit, but nobody really cares. I will finish the God of War game, and yeah, so let's get into it. And can you guys go follow my Twitter? It's on the screen, and it'll only take like about 5 seconds, and thank you.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll
Leon.
never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Yep, tell him.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
Rest in
I was
peace.
asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly
Yo,
killed
this
me.
looks real. What the heck?
But at least I kept my mind off everything.
Dang.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Oh, look at Leon. He is so sad. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Ooh. So I've never really played Resident Evil 4. I've seen like videos of it and all that, but I've never really played it myself. So I'm really excited to see what there is. I know a little bit like how it starts and all that, but not too much. So yeah. Alright, well I kind of figured that out. Oh. Bro, somebody really freaking messed my boy Bambi up, dude. Crouch. Bro, you see how quick I freaking reacted, bro? Dang. Oh. That's gross. Alright, is there stuff over here? No? Okay. Alright. Come on in here. Housekeeping. Can I come inside? Seems very unwelcoming, to be honest. Oh, what the heck? What is this? Is it like a... Oh, is it like a cross? Judgment is nigh. I think so. Alright. Oh, okay. I need a key. Hello? Anybody home? Oh, what the heck? Watch out! Oh. Okay.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Okay.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Is he like a sorcerer or something? Because I don't really know, like what the freaking zombies in Resident Evil 4 are. What do you find? Oh dang. Mario Fernandez. Oh bro. Oh shoot! Watch out! Yo! Oh my gosh! How? How do you do? What the? Oh my gosh, dude!
Oh my god.
He freaking snapped his neck, dude. How do you parry something like that or block it with a knife, dude? Bro, that's freaking crazy. Oh what? All right. What's this? Oh, okay. So, police officer. What's over here? What is this dude cooking?
Man, that stinks.
Ugh. I bet that's all human right there. Got some of that. That Jeffrey. Okay. Use. Hello. Ooh. I don't like this. Yeah, but especially don't like that. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ratita! Okay. Bro. What the heck? Okay. Okay. Bro. What is, like, I don't know. Oh. Fellow police officer dead. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's gross.
I read you. What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Oh, somebody's here. Who is it? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Kill him.
This just keeps getting worse.
What the heck? Bro, he's... Hey, my boy's dabbing. Oh, look at him. Hello? Oh. Okay. I don't have many bullets left, so some bullets would be nice. Pretty nice right now. But if not, that's cool. I'll just make my way up here. What's in here? Oh yeah, give me some of that green herb. So they be speaking Spanish, alright? Alright. Could you close the door a little bit quieter? Is that her? Is that the president's daughter?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Okay.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hey, give me your number, girl.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Alright, Leon. Bro, you only got 4 bullets, Leon.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Okay. Alright. Please don't say we gotta fight. Alright. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, that was clean, dude. Oh. Yeah, walk away. Alright, Leon. I don't know how this dude didn't break anything, dude. You see how high that is? Actually, hold up. That's really not that high. Nope. Yep, somebody died. Whoa. Yeah, I need some ammo. There better be ammo in here. Bop. Okay. Leon got some of that taekwondo. Cause he be doing a lot of kicking. Oh, we can save? I thought it was a oh, okay. Wow. Gunpowder. Can I make ammo now? Oh, dang, this is nice. Craft. Oh no, I need 5 and whatever the freak that is. What the heck? Okay, that's cool. Whatever. Oh wait, gotta reload. Just remembered. Alright, I don't want to mess with y'all. Please leave me alone. Oh, what the heck? Oh, they killed my poor dude. Oh, yes, give me some of that ammo. I need that ammo. How much ammo I got? I got 14. Or 24 if you count. Yeah. Okay. Any more stuff? Okay. Please. Okay. Some pesetas. I think that's how you pronounce them. Oh. Okay, where they at? Where they at? I don't see them. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay. All right. Do a few first. Oh my gosh. Crouch! What the? Back up. Oh my gosh, I suck. Actual dog. Bro, I suck. Okay, hit him. Yo. Yahtzee. Yup. Sit down. Oh, okay. How do I do? Yeah, kill him. I do not mess with y'all. Oh. Nope, nobody heard me. Oh. Okay. Now I can make ammo, right? Oh wait, no, I need that one thing. I don't know. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. I wish it would tell me. But I don't think we're gonna get it. Anyways, sure, that's cool. Hello? Anybody else? Oh, somebody in here? Okay. Can I shoot him? Oh, no. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh! My aim is actual dog. Whatever this is. Melee! Oh my gosh! Kill him! I do. Leon knows how to fight now. Okay. I'm not complaining. Probably gonna need it this game. I did not mean to. Oh, I thought I saw something right there. All right. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh, they're gonna barbecue my boy. Oh no. Oh, what a way to die. Holy crap. Oh, can't save him no more. Let's leave. Okay. Oh, there's green up right there. Wait, do they know I'm here? I don't think so, right? Because that old lady was like, you can run, but you can't hide. I need to find whatever I can. Okay, that's... Ooh! That was loud. Okay. Got more pesetas. Bop. You better not have heard that. Is it like a sneak kill? Nope, there's not. Okay. How should I deal with this? Should I go for it? Oh, screw it. Let's go with it. Boom! Give me that, give me that, give me that. Alright, alright. Oh, wait, am I gonna have to fight all of them? Oh! Oh my gosh, okay. Go. Okay. Bop. Okay. Bop. Let's freaking go. You're dead. You're done. Okay. Bop you in the head. Okay. Bop you in the head. Bop you. Oh my gosh. Move. Okay. I parried it. I don't know how the freak I did that. Alright, go. How the freak am I gonna do this? I gotta go against all of them? Oh my gosh. Give me that gunpowder and dip. Give me the gunpowder and dip. Oh my gosh. Leave me alone. Oh my gosh, please. Oh. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm leaving. I'm going here, get in here. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Barricade yourself. Oh, heck no. Are you serious? That's what I'm saying. Bro, this is insane. Okay. Alright. Chill. Alright, we're chill. We're chill. We're good. Get this thing over here. Please do it quickly. Hurry up. He's cutting through the freaking door. Oh, give me that. Yes, give me that too. Okay. Give me that pesetas. Bitch. Oh, Granny, I'm sorry. You shouldn't be going through this. Oh my god, I fell there. Oh my gosh. Jump out. Okay. Alright. So basically, don't get cornered with that dude. Alright, that's cool. Okay. Come over here, get whatever I need over here. Oh, resources. That's the thing that I needed for the gunpowder. Okay, what is going on? Block the freaking thing. Hurry. Please. Thank you. Come again. Okay, that chainsaw dude is really freaking annoying. Oh my gosh. See, I literally just put that there. Okay, give me that. Okay, that's cool now. Give me that. Please give it to me quickly. Okay. Come over here. Can I do something? Oh yeah, bet. There you go. Can I jump out? Let's go. What the freak is going on? How the freak are you up here? I need a reload. Oh shoot, she just freaking fell. Good. Oh my. Bro, what the freak? Oh my gosh, no way. I'm out. I was trying to get that ammo, but I guess not. Bing! Okay, give me that. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I don't got time to reload. Ah! Please stop touching me. That's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, I don't think a pistol's gonna do anything to that dude. Please leave me alone. Thank you.
Next.
Yup. Okay. Out of here. Can this dude leave me the freak alone, please? Thank you very mucho. Give me whatever's there. Vault over that freaking thing. All right, let's get going. Oh, and this is the corner. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Get the freak out of the way. Yes, sit the freak down. Oh my, are you serious? Run! Oh my gosh, get up the freaking way! Go, 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 go. No, no, just run, dude. Dude, Leon, just run. Just freaking run. Oh, they set the freaking cow on fire. What the freak? All right. Get in here, get in here. Okay, it's freaking locked. What the freak? Okay, wait, hold up, hold up. I remember to have a hand grenade, The one that go boom, boom. Okay, okay. The other one. I don't need to do that. Throw it right there, please. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. Bro, leave me the freak alone. Bro, are you serious? Get out the way. Bro. Oh my gosh, you just killed your cow. Okay. 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 Just keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running. I literally can't do anything. I can't take them all on. What the heck? I can't do that either.
Huh?
Hello?
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
So they are being controlled.
Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Okay.
Where's everyone going?
Say it.
Go?
Nice. Oh my gosh. I am excited for this game, dude. I killed 16 enemies. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. Thank you for playing. Alright, well, if you guys want to see more whenever the game comes out, want me to do a whole playthrough, you know what to do. Like it up. Not too many, probably like 5-10 likes, and that would be cool. Anyways, alright. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.